The P0440 code indicates a general malfunction of the evaporative emission control system. What does this mean? The EVAP system is crucial for preventing gasoline vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. It captures, stores, and then sends them to the engine to be burned. P0440 is a generic code that means the computer has detected a large leak or a problem with the overall operation of the EVAP system that prevents it from sealing properly. Generally, there are no other noticeable performance symptoms, although in some cases you may notice a faint gasoline odor near the vehicle. If the P0440 appears, the first and easiest thing to do is check the fuel tank cap. A poorly closed or faulty cap is the most common cause of this code. Make sure it is tight and free of cracks. Then inspect all EVAP system hoses and lines from the fuel tank to the engine for cracks, disconnections, or damage. Also check the activated charcoal canister for damage. In some cases, the EVAP purge valve, solenoid, or EVAP vent valve may be faulty, although they often have their own more specific codes. Although your car may appear to be running fine, this code means your vehicle is emitting pollutants into the atmosphere, which will prevent you from passing emissions tests. Additionally, prolonged exposure to gasoline vapors can be dangerous and can lead to higher fuel consumption if the system doesn't seal properly.